Both new and expert gardeners agree. A greenhouse makes all the difference when it comes to taking your gardening to a whole new level. Extend your growing season. Have a wider variety of vegetables and flowers. Protect your plants from bugs and other pests. Maintain correct moisture and temperature levels for healthier plants. Presenting pre-built greenhouses by Horizon Structures. We offer an impressive range of greenhouses, and there's sure to be one perfect for you. Each one built to last by Amish craftsmen. Remember, these are pre-manufactured greenhouses, not difficult and costly to assemble kits. Our greenhouses are delivered fully assembled and ready for same-day use. Spotlight on the A-frame greenhouse. Available in a variety of sizes to fit any property or need, the A-frame greenhouse is packed with features most gardeners request. But it all begins with sturdy construction. Starting at the bottom, you'll find a double 2x4 southern yellow pine foundation. Pressure-treated yellow pine 2x4s are used for the studs and rafters. Heavy-duty 8mm twin-wall polycarbonate panels make up the roof and walls. This UV-resistant material is 12 times stronger than glass and provides improved insulation. The exterior trim not only looks great, but is also largely maintenance-free. Easy access is yours thanks to the 32 by 80-inch storm door. We also add a helpful potting bench made from sturdy, pressure-treated lumber, with an easy-to-clean composite top that runs the entire length of the greenhouse. We also install an electric exhaust fan for improved ventilation. There's even an optional pressure-treated wood floor that some customers request at an added cost. No one matches the quality and attention to detail that you'll find in a Horizon Structure. In fact, we're so confident of our quality that we back every one of these incredible greenhouses with our 5-year top-to-bottom warranty. Now there's real peace of mind. It's also important to know that we deliver these greenhouses anywhere in the continental U.S. All you need is a level site with gravel, mulch, concrete slab, whatever works best for you. Would you like to know more? We invite your call or email for more information, or stop by our website, horizonstructures.com, to see all the models, options, and pricing. You'll also find some in-stock models available for quick shipping. Isn't it time to make one yours? Your greenhouse can become a reality, and we can even help with financing. Pre-built greenhouses by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary quality, and amazing value.